when you look at your birth chart, who is the boss of the birth chart? Definitely, you will say me lah, right? This is year, this is month, this is day, this is hour. So there are 8 characters here. So it's 八字. So of the 8 characters, this character, this one represent you. You look at yours, what is there? The month is the one that controls the birth chart, not the day master. Not this one. This one does not controls the chart. Okay, this one means I am the owner only. That's all. Good or bad, strong or weak, to be decided by this guy. For example, this is you. I want to go hiking. Then I pack my bag, pack my lunch box, buy my hiking gear, everything ready. Because I day master, I call the shot. Then raining, heavy rain. You can still go hiking? You cannot. So this is the fella who will decide to rain or not to rain, so that you can or cannot go hiking. Understand? You look at the month, because the month is the big boss. In 八字 book, it's called 月令. Ling means like general. Ling is like I say can, I say cannot. And this one falls in the month.